Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling developer mode and creating an application because you need access to ID and tokens right away. Once done, add a bot to the app and copy the client ID and bot token. Store the token in a secure place and never share it. Make sure to set a descriptive app name and icon so you recognize it in your server list. These steps prepare you to invite the bot and test functionality inside a controlled environment. Next, generate the invite link using OAuth 2 with bot and applications. Command scopes so you can test /commands and permissions. Once generated, choose only the permissions the bot needs. This prevents accidental privilege escalations and mirrors production constraints. Then invite the bot to a server you control, such as a private test server, and confirm it appears online. This controlled install helps you iterate quickly. Finally, run your commands and interactions in the test server while monitoring logs and responses to verify behavior. Use ephemeral responses for quick UI checks and enable required intents in the developer portal so events arrive correctly. If something fails, inspect bot logs, confirm intents and gateway connections, and watch for rate limit responses. Adjust timing or permissions accordingly. If credentials leak or misbehave, revoke and regenerate the token immediately, then reauthorize the bot to restore safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.